Alright, so we are going to do some siding. We're going to do this little piece here. I was working over there earlier, but I'm a one-man show now, so I'm just going to kind of do the easy stuff as I go along. But we're going to get our starter strip, put it in, we'll work our way up, J-channel it, and good to go. So, find my tape measure. There we go. I got my pencil. So for a starter strip, looking about 18. Now, I am not a professional cider, so you guys might have tips, tricks that I don't know. Feel free. Don't yell at me though, because once again, I am far from professional. All right. Alright. Okay, give me another nail. Good. Alright, let's see what we got for a measurement. About 22. See how many pieces we can get out of a full one. What did I say? 22, I think. Okay. Test it before we get too far. Alright. Just to be safe, we'll put one both sides and one in the middle. Okay. Alright, so we are just going to be cutting a bunch of pieces of siding to eventually go up that. So that's what this will consist of, is cutting a bunch of pieces. Inside. It's probably but I just can't shoot out of what you get. I'll take it a long time. Water. I'll make more water. Alright. Probably throw one more through and then we'll start cutting. Start siding, I mean, not cutting. This should get us a decent way. Little holding table maybe. Perfect. One of them skateboard. I lost the clip on my tool belt, so I'm going to hard way. So, I'm going to stop it more than like. We'll grab it. It's free room. Actually, I'll do that easy. Okay, too much. There we go. Let's get a little fall. And I'm at the spot. I'm gonna get I'm going. Alright, I'm short. A little bit lighter here. Alright. So, got the ladder now. Got a couple pieces before I need to cut some more. At a slight little angle. Good thing we got the up here to block us from falling. Hopefully that don't happen. Wow. You know, you can imagine what it's like. It's okay. Not that bad. But the whole house, these pieces are 8 inches. Near here. I don't know. But I'm doing it. So I don't need that all that in. If I have full on lift, oh yeah. But you like that. Just stay here. We got the trees, but it's not used to now, but it's okay. Try it, get it. I'm not gonna stay here for days. And pretty close though, I guess. 1.5, a little bit maybe. Cut me one more quick. Got this like one something right here. Alright. Alright, so now we got a little J channel. So we're gonna cut her a little long, about 23.5, 24. And then we'll take it up there and get it all put together. I just don't want to have to carry a big old piece up there. Go right there. Alright. So we got all this siding up besides one piece because we need to do the J channel first. So let's see if I can do this properly. Cut little things like so on both sides. That way we got some flaps. But we also so it's kind of where we're wanting to be. We'll take off 1/2 inch or so. Cut this a little further. Right, now we'll test her. Okay, so I'm leaving a little gap up here for my soffit later on, but I think this will do right here because you want to leave, give or take, about 1/2 inch. So that's what we're trying to do there. That way the soffit can get in there and should be good to go. I don't like that though, how it still pushes that up. Put some nails in it. But yeah, leaving about 1.5 inch gap up there for soffit. Not 1.5 inch, 1/2 inch. So later on we got enough room. Should we have maybe done that first? Maybe, but whatever. we got about 7 inches to the bottom of here. So we will have to trim off about an inch off the top. But this side, see, I think it is at a slight angle, but we'll just have to cut it and even it out. So we'll have to cut a piece at 21 3/4 or whatever it's been, and then we'll have to kind of shape it up to match that in there. So this side was 7 inches, that side was 7.5. So what we're gonna do is come up here about 7. So we're gonna go a little long just in case we gotta take some off. Rather take some off than be too short. Get our piece to make a straight line-ish. Okay. Okay. And then you want to grab this tool. It'll make ridges so it can catch that J channel up in there. But we'll see if this fits first. Okay, so that will do. Now just got to make the rivets, or not rivets, but you know, these guys. So how it's pointing out, that way it'll catch. So if you do it the other way, the lip will be that way, and that's not what you want. So when you do this, you want to make sure you're doing it the right way. You know, put a couple in there just in case. Maybe, I think they say every 6 inches or something, but whatever. More the merrier, right? And then bam, that side is done. It's complete. Grab my tools. I don't know why I put those nails up there. I don't even need them. And that side is complete. Now, I'm not the best sighter, but that don't look too bad. So that's complete. Got the starter strip, worked my way up, J channel, I had to cut a piece and all that. But honestly, doesn't look too bad. Once again, not a professional sighter. If you got tips, tricks, please let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching.